Hi everyone, this is teacher Nev and welcome to math class. So before we start, let's watch this.
Ping pong. Ping pong. More. It's time for two. Two times one is two. Two times two is four. Two times three is six. Two times four is eight. Two times five is 10. Two times six is 12. Two times seven is 14. Two times eight is 16. Two times nine is 18. Two times 10 is 20. Two times 11 is 22. Two times 12 is 24. Count by twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. I can catch them all. I can.
So let's review. How many groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 groups. How many hearts are there in each group? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So there are 2 hearts in each group. So we can say 5 groups of 2 is equals to how many altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 hearts altogether. 5 groups of 2 is equals to 10. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equals 10. 5 twos is equals 10. 5 times 2 equals 10. Multiplication table of 2. 2 times 1 is equals 2. That means we have 2 groups of 1 ball. Or we could also say 1 multiplied by 2 is equals 2. This means we have 1 group of 2 balls. 2 times 2 is equals 4. Or we could also say 2 multiplied by 2 is equals 4. So we have 2 groups of 2 balls. In addition, we can say 2 plus 2 is equals 4. 2 times 3 is equals 6. We have 2 groups of 3 balls. In addition form, we could write this as 3 plus 3 is equals 6. 3 times 2 is equals 6. We have 3 groups of 2 balls. In addition form, we could write this as 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equals 6. 2 times 4 is equals 8. So we have 2 groups of 4 balls. We could write this as 4 plus 4 is equals 8. 4 multiplied by 2 is equals 8. This means we have 4 groups of 2 balls. We could write this in addition form as 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equals 8. 2 times 5 is equals 10. We have 2 groups of 5 balls. In addition form, we could write this as 5 plus 5 is equals 10. 5 multiplied by 2 is equals 10. So we have 5 groups of 2 balls. In addition form, we could write this as 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 10. So 2 multiplied by 6 is 12. So this means we have how many groups of 6 balls? Very good. 2 groups. And how do we write this in addition form? 6 plus 6 is equals 12. Next, 6 multiplied by 2 is equals 12. So how many groups of 2 do we have? 6. And how do we write this in addition form? 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equals 12. 2 multiplied by 7 is equals 14. So, how many groups of 7 do we have? That's right, we have 2 groups of 7 balls. And how do we write this in addition form? 7 plus 7 is equals 14. 7 times 2 is equals to 14. So we have 7 groups of 2. And how do we write this in addition form? 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equals to 14. Next, 2 times 8 is equals 16. So how many groups of 8 balls do we have? 2. And how do we write this in addition form? 8 plus 8 is equals 16. 8 multiplied by 2 is 16. So how many groups of 2 do we have? How many groups? Very good. We have 8 groups of 2. And how do we write this in addition form? 2 plus 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 2 is equals 16. 2 times 9 is equals to 18. So how many groups of 9 do we have? We have 2 groups of 9 balls. And how do we write this in addition form? 9 plus 9 is equals to 18. 9 multiplied by 2 is equals to 18. So we have 9 groups of 2 balls, and we write this in addition form like this. 2 multiplied by 10 is equals to 20. So we have two groups of 10 balls. And how do we write this in addition form? 10 plus 10 is equals to 20. 10 multiplied by 2 is equals to 20. So we have 10 groups of 2 balls, and we write it in addition form like this. Okay, so this time I would like to ask everybody to memorize their multiplication table of 2. In our next video, we will have a short activity about multiplication table of 2. So that's all for today. I'll see you again next time. Bye!